Hey, hello. Welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 87, and I'm your happy host, Lily. If you're just starting your English journey, you're in the perfect place.
Hi everyone, Ben here sitting next to Lily with my coffee. Today we're going to talk about one of the most important and sometimes confusing things in English, how to speak about the future. Ready for some future talk?
Very ready. Imagine this situation right now. Your friend calls you and says, "Hey, what are you doing this evening?" And you want to answer. What do you say? "I will go to the cinema," or "I'm going to watch a film," or maybe, "Shall we go together?" See? Already three different ways. That's exactly why we chose this topic for episode 87.
Yes, beginners at A1 to A2 level often feel lost with will, shall, and going to. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll feel much more sure. We'll explain everything slowly with lots of examples, and we'll repeat the most important points so they really stay in your head.
Perfect plan. Let's start with the easiest and most popular one, will.
Will is like your best helper when you talk about the future. We use will in three main situations.
First situation, predictions. When you think something will probably happen, but you don't have strong proof right now. For example, "It will rain this afternoon." "The match will finish at 9 o'clock." Your English will get better very soon.
I love that last one. Yes, your English will get better. We believe it.
Second situation, spontaneous decisions. You decide something at the exact moment you speak.
Like this. The doorbell rings.
"I will open the door." Or your mom says, "We need milk."
Okay, I will go to the shop right now.
Third situation, promises and offers.
I will always help you with English.
"I will call you tomorrow at 7.
I will send you the homework tonight. Promise.
And the grammar is super simple. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus will, plus verb without to. I will eat. You will like it. He will come.
Questions. Will you help me? Will it snow tomorrow? Will she like the present?
Negatives, will not equals won't. I won't forget you. We won't be late. It won't hurt, I promise.
Beginners, try to say these out loud right now. I will try harder. I won't give up. Will you practice with me?
Great job if you said them. Now let's talk about shall. Shall is a little special.
Yes, shall is not used as often as will nowadays, especially in American English, but it's still alive and very useful in some situations.
The most common use, polite suggestions and offers with I and we.
Exactly. We almost never say, I shall go now. Sounds very old or very formal. But we love to say, shall I make tea for you? Shall we watch a film tonight? Shall I open the window? It's hot.
It feels kind and polite, like you're asking the other person's opinion in a nice way.
And sometimes in very formal or old texts, you can see, we shall overcome, famous song. I shall return, famous quote.
But for everyday English at A1, A2 level, remember, use shall mainly in questions with I and we.
Negatives, shall not equals shan't. But honestly, almost nobody says shan't now. It sounds like your great-grandmother talking. So just say, shall we not go? Or better, shouldn't we go?
Good advice. Okay, repeat after us. Shall I help you? Shall we eat pizza? Shall I turn on the lights?
Nice, you're doing fantastic.
Now the third way, be going to.
This one is very, very common in real conversations. We use be going to when we, first, have already decided or planned something before speaking.
Example, I'm going to visit my grandma on Saturday. I decided this yesterday or earlier.
We're going to buy a new phone next month. It's our plan.
Second, when you see clear signs now and you predict something is coming very soon.
Look at that boy on the bike. He's going to fall. Those clouds are so dark. It's going to rain in 5 minutes.
Grammar time. I am equals I'm going to. You are equals you're going to. He is, she is, it is equals he's, she's, it's going to. We are equals we're going to. They are equals they're going to.
Then main verb. I'm going to study English tonight. She's going to have a baby. Exciting news.
Questions. Are you going to come to the party? Is it going to snow? What are they going to do?
Negatives. I'm not going to wait forever. We're not going to buy that expensive car.
And in casual speech, we very often say gonna instead of going to. I'm gonna call you later. She's gonna love this gift.
Yes, you'll hear gonna everywhere in songs, movies, conversations, but when you write formally, better to write going to. Okay, now the most interesting part. When to choose which one. Let's compare them with the same situations.
Situation 1. Tomorrow, the weather.
General prediction, it will be cold tomorrow. I checked the forecast, I'm sure. It's going to be cold tomorrow.
Situation 2. Your friend looks very hungry.
Spontaneous offer, I will make you a sandwich. Already planned, I'm going to order pizza for us.
Situation 3. Suggesting an activity to a friend.
Shall we go to the park? Very polite suggestion.
Situation 4. Promise to your best friend.
I will never tell your secret. I will always support you.
Situation 5. You see a glass of water on the edge of the table.
Careful, it's going to fall.
Perfect. Beginners often mix them. That's normal. Here are the most common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake number 1, using two forms together. Wrong, I will going to study. Right, I will study or I'm going to study.
Mistake number 2, using will for clear plans made earlier. Not the best. I will meet my friends tonight. Sounds like you just decided now. Better, I'm going to meet my friends tonight.
Mistake number 3, using shall with he, she, it, you, they. Wrong, shall he come? Right, will he come or is he going to come?
Mistake number 4, forgetting the verb to be in going to. Wrong, I going to learn. Right, I am going to learn.
Great. Now let's do a longer practice game. I'll give a situation and we'll both suggest sentences. You at home pause and say your own version too.
Situation 1. It's your mom's birthday next week. What do you say?
I'm going to buy her flowers.
I will make a chocolate cake for her.
Shall we organize a small party?
Situation 2. You see your little brother running with scissors.
He's going to hurt himself.
Stop. I will take the scissors.
Situation 3. You and your friend are bored on Saturday.
Shall we go shopping?
Or I'm going to suggest we watch Netflix.
I will choose the film.
Situation 4. You want to promise your teacher.
I will do my homework every day.
I won't be late for class anymore.
Situation 5. Weather forecast says sun, but the sky is gray now.
It's going to rain, look.
But maybe it will be sunny later.
Awesome practice. You can do this with any topic. Food, travel, studies, weekend plans.
One more fun thing. Let's make a short story together using all 3 forms.
Okay, once upon a time,
Anna and Max wanted to have a picnic.
they looked outside.
Oh no, it's going to rain soon, said Anna.
Don't worry, said Max. I will bring an umbrella.
Then Anna smiled and asked,
Shall we invite Sophia too?
Yes, said Max. I'm going to text her right now.
In the end, the rain stopped, the sun came out, and they had a wonderful picnic.
See? All 3 forms appeared naturally in one small story.
Beautiful. Beginners, try to make your own 3 to 5 sentence story tonight using will, shall, and going to. It's excellent practice.
Okay, friends, we've talked a lot today. Let's do a super quick final review, very short and clear.
Will, predictions without strong evidence, sudden decisions, promises, offers. I will help you. It will snow. I will call you.
Shall, polite suggestions and offers, mostly questions with I and we. Shall we dance? Shall I close the door?
Be going to, personal plans made earlier plus predictions with clear present evidence. I'm going to visit London next year. It's going to rain. Look.
You don't need to remember everything perfectly today. Just keep listening, repeating, and trying to use one form every day. Maybe today use only going to. Tomorrow only will. Small steps equal big progress.
Exactly. You are already doing so well by listening to this episode. We are proud of you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us on episode 87. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep thinking in English.
See you in the next episode. Don't forget, you've got this.
Bye-bye, dear friends.
Bye. Talk to you soon. Keep going.